Hi everyone, my name is Susan. I also go by soosanmoo on my YouTube and on my social media. I am the owner of Paperoo Studio, and today I have partnered with onlinelabels.com Startup Academy to show you guys how to build an online sticker business right inside your own home. I do want to preface this by saying that I am not going to be walking you through any of the legalities of starting an online business. I am here just to talk about the other logistics of creating an online business. So let's get right into it. To start an online sticker business, yes, the clear, obvious thing that you need to do is to have stickers to sell. But before we get into actually drawing out the stickers, there's actually a lot of logistics behind that you need to have before you can actually get to drawing out the stickers. So that includes figuring out your target audience, figuring out what stickers you want to make, figuring out the type of materials that you want to print your stickers on, or to figure out if you're trying to outsource your products to get a third party to print your stickers. That is also something to consider. You need to figure out how you're going to ship your product to your buyer and what shipping materials you're going to need to ship your product out. So there's a lot of logistics behind starting an online sticker business aside from just creating the stickers. So let's first talk about the stickers that you want to make. What stickers are you planning to make? Are you trying to make bumper stickers? Are you trying to make planner stickers? Are you trying to make decorative stickers? There's a lot of different types of stickers in the sticker category. So you need to figure out what type of stickers you're going to make, and then you need to figure out who your target audience is. For me, I am a bullet journaler. I have been bullet journaling for years, and I follow a bullet journaling community on Instagram. There I found a need for planner stickers. So I personally create stickers for planners so that you can decorate your bullet journals, your planners, your regular journals to make it more aesthetically pleasing while still being productive. The great thing about the bullet journaling community on Instagram is that they are super helpful, they are super supportive, and they want to help out small businesses and passion projects, which is why it was a perfect target audience for my sticker business. So now that we have figured out who our target audience is and what sticker type we are trying to make, we need to figure out how we are going to turn our stickers into actual stickers. I know that there are quite a few sticker shop owners who create the stickers and then send it to a third-party company for them to print out the stickers, and then that way they'll ship it out like that. For me personally, I like to do everything by myself. I am a very hands-on person. I have had Paperoo Studio, my sticker shop, for about a year and a half now, and I have run through quite a few different types of sticker paper. Ultimately, I have found and stuck with Online Labels matte sticker paper because I have found that the quality is unlike any other. It is super great quality at a very affordable price. I really enjoy Online Labels sticker paper just because the quality is it's unmatched. I have gone through quite a few, and let's just say it's the best one I've tried. Aside from the sticker paper, you also need to figure out the printer situation. I personally use a Canon Pixma i6820, and that has been a really great printer for me. I have previously used a Canon Pixma MX922, and it has died of old age, so we have retired the 922, but it has served me for quite a good amount of time of my sticker business. So that is also a really great printer. Then you need to figure out your sticker cutting device. I use a Cricut Explore 2, but I don't think you absolutely need it to create stickers. You can go in with just a pair of scissors and cut it out. It does save you a lot more time to have a sticker cutting machine. It is an investment though. It does cost quite a bit of money for it to do only one purpose. So if you don't have the funding for it, you don't need a sticker cutting machine. It is a very specific machine for a very specific purpose. So I'd say skip it if you don't have the funding for it. You can just go by hand and cut out the stickers that way. So now let's talk about your selling platform. Where are you trying to sell your stickers on? For me, I started out on Etsy just because Etsy is a very specific website catered to small businesses that hand makes things. So everybody on that Etsy website is already looking for things that are handmade. So Etsy is a great starter platform. The thing with Etsy though is that they do take a percentage of your revenue, so that is something to think about. I've also started selling on my website, and with that there's a lot more logistics behind it than on Etsy because Etsy, if you put in your tax information, they basically put the taxes into forms for you. But if you're doing it on your own website, you kind of have to do all that on your own. You need to have a domain name that you have to pay for. You have to figure out how to turn your website into an e-commerce site. So that is also another thing that you have to figure out. And there's a lot more logistics behind selling on your own website versus selling on Etsy. But I do like having both platforms so that people have an option of where they want to purchase from. Now let's talk about shipping. So first of all, you need to figure out which shipping carrier you're going to use when you're shipping out your products. Because I live in the United States, I have found that USPS is the cheapest shipping carrier out of all the other shipping companies that is available to me. They have a rate specifically for thin document parcels, which is great, and it is super cheap. And they also offer international shipping. If you live outside of the United States, you need to do the research on your own. But aside from figuring out your shipping carrier, you also need to figure out how you're going to make these labels and what shipping materials you're going to use. So for me, I have tried out a lot of different shipping platforms. I know Etsy makes their own. They also partner with USPS to create shipping labels. And Pitney Bowes is also one that creates shipping labels, and there's also Pirate Ship. With Pirate Ship, you cannot make document parcels, so that's a no-go for sticker shop businesses. But Pitney Bowes Send Pro online option is super great. It's what I personally use to create shipping labels for my sticker shop. But you do your own research on that. Find the one that works for you. I know PayPal also has a shipping service available. So there's that. I also chose to use Stay Flat mailers instead of regular envelopes. I know quite a few sticker shop owners use just regular envelopes to ship out their stickers. For me, I just feel like when a buyer is buying my stickers, they're not only buying the stickers, but they're also buying the experience. So I want my buyers to receive the stickers the way I intend for them to receive it. So I use Stay Flat mailers. That way it prevents the stickers from bending, and I also make sure I wrap the stickers up in tissue paper, and I also include a freebie inside the package just so that they have a good experience and to thank them for supporting small businesses like myself. So now that we have finally finished doing the research on all the logistics of things, we can now get to the fun part, drawing out the stickers. So for me, I use a bunch of different mediums. Sometimes I like to do it pen and paper because I like to feel the physicalness of drawing out a sticker, but I also do use my iPad and my Apple Pencil. So when I like to use the iPad and the Apple Pencil route, I use the app Procreate to draw my stickers. It is a very intuitive and very easy application to use. It does cost money, but I do think it is well worth the $10 that I paid for the application. It is completely unnecessary though. You do not need to have an iPad to draw out anything. You can most definitely do it just pen on paper, good old pen on paper. And to get that digitalized, you can scan it with your phone and then import it into your computer and digitalize it that way. On my computer, to go hand in hand with my artwork that I've drawn, I also like to use Photoshop, not only to draw out the stickers, but to also arrange the sticker sheet so that it looks very aesthetically pleasing. So my very last tip for you guys is to make sure that you are marketing your product. So you have created your stickers, you have posted it on your website, and you're waiting for sales. But you don't get sales because you didn't market your product. So you need to make sure that you let people know that you have created a product and you want to sell it and you want people to buy it. For me personally, I feel that the best and most affordable way to market your product is social media. It's free. It's completely free. How I market my products is that I make videos on it on YouTube so people can see the process of how these stickers are made and how I use it in my journal. And then I also post it on Instagram. I make sure to post it on my Instagram stories and on my Instagram feeds. I take pictures of my stickers and I show how I use it in my planner, and then I always make sure to have a link so that it can link back to my sticker shop so that people can purchase it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed all of my tips and tricks on how to start up a online sticker business. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you guys want more tips on how to run an online sticker business, ya girl got just the channel for you. My YouTube channel, soosanmoo, has quite a few videos on how to run an online sticker business, so please go check me out on my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks on how to run an online sticker business. And please follow onlinelabels.com for more of Startup Academy. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Bye!